What's going on, everybody? I just switched this over from the ISO to the SAE, commonly known as backhoe controls. What I did was I pulled these 4 lines off and I marked them. 1 pilot, 2 pilot, 3 pilot, 4 pilot. That way I had kept them all in order. What I did was I traced the lines coming from the boom up and down and the curl. So I traced them back, and the only thing I did was switch them. And I got them marked one boom, and the one underneath of it I got marked 2 boom, 1 curl, 2 curl. And these ones were over here. The only thing I did was swap what's marked B and C, boom and curl. I swapped them side to side, top and bottom. So now it is so that's that. Next thing I need to do is take my 20-volt transfer pump. I'm going to pull out these Allen bolts, pull that hydraulic like pre-filter out, and I'm going to suck that out. I'm going to run a magnet around in there, and I'm going to refill it. I think I still got 2.5 gallons left from when I changed the fluid net skid steer. So that's the next step. I'm going to order another piece of aluminum for around that. I go around the bottom of the engine, and then I'm even looking at buying a hydraulic cooler, putting a bracket across from that one to that one, mounting a hydraulic cooler on it, and taking that 8-inch fan I got and mounting it on the cooler, sucking air out. So I don't know, work in progress. I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.